Hi friends, if your After Effect is not opening like this miss, go to my computer, go to C drive, go to users, go to your name, data, roaming, adobe, down, your effects. You have to delete this one. This file you have to delete, then open your After Effects. Then also it's not coming miss. Uninstall your After Effects. Go to control panel. Go to programs and features. Search for After Effects. Yeah, right click. Yes, yes, remove. Now close. Now cancel. Now go to your softwares. No, no. Setup deactivated. Setup. Yes, it will install again. Press continue. Wait for installing. Now it's opening. If it is not coming miss, once you delete 16.1, then also it's not coming miss. Uninstall that software and again you install that software, it will come and it will work also. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.